Welcome to our exploration of OLED monitors, the pinnacle of display technology that brings images to life with unparalleled clarity and vibrancy. The story of OLED monitors begins with the development of organic light-emitting diodes, or OLEDs. Unlike traditional LEDs, OLEDs are composed of organic materials that emit light when an electric current is applied. The groundwork for OLED technology was laid in the 1980s and 90s by researchers such as Ching W. Tang and Stephen Van Slyke at Kodak and the University of Rochester. Their pioneering work paved the way for the creation of the first OLED displays. OLED monitors offer several advantages over traditional display technologies. Each pixel in an OLED display emits its own light, allowing for true blacks, infinite contrast ratios, and stunningly vivid colors. In the early 2000s, OLED technology found its way into monitor displays. These early OLED monitors showcased the potential of the technology, with razor-thin profiles and unparalleled image quality. As OLED technology matured, manufacturers began to invest in mass production facilities, bringing OLED monitors to the mainstream market. Today, OLED monitors are available in a variety of sizes and configurations to suit a range of applications. OLED monitors are not only used in consumer electronics, but also find applications in professional settings such as graphic design, photography, and video editing, where color accuracy and image quality are paramount. Innovation in OLED technology continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. From flexible and rollable displays to transparent screens and beyond, the future of OLED monitors is full of exciting possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of OLED monitors. Be sure to subscribe for more insights into the latest advancements in display technology.